It's Susanna Kitchen here. Today I make creamy macaroni soup, or it's called sopas. It's sauteed with garlic, onion, and carrot, and hot dog or chicken. And easy to cook at home, and it's comfort soup. Super easy Asian chicken macaroni, and instant fat is so good to make for winter days, and you can add the evaporated milk, and this is easy to make at home, guys. Try it, guys, and hope you like it. Thank you, Susanna Kitchen. Mwah.